Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited free credits in Retro Bowl. This is an awesome method, guys. This is a mod for Retro Bowl working on iOS and Android, and it's going to get you unlimited credits for completely free, saving you a ton of money because I'm sure you're aware, if we just check the in-app purchases, you can see 2,000 credits costs around $40 US. So this is going to save you so much money because you're going to not only get unlimited credits, but you can also get the unlimited version of Retro Bowl for free as well. So you just need to make sure you have the game installed on your phone. Like I said, this is working on iOS or Android. And you also need to make sure your low power mode is turned off, guys. So if you're on iPhone, it's in the battery settings, just turn off your low power mode. And then you need to open up the internet browser of choice. I'm using Safari, and go to www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy plugin, this is a modded app store here, guys. So go to the search bar at the top, search for Retro Bowl, and it should pop up Retro Bowl plugin, unlimited version plus unlimited credits. So this is basically going to allow you to dominate the game, and you can see it's going to basically get you the modded app on your phone, and you simply open it up as you play the normal Retro Bowl app, and it's going to provide you with unlimited resources. So that is how to do it, guys. You just see this pops up sometimes, device verification required, so you just need to follow all of the instructions here. This is to install your plugin. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below. This basically verifies you're not a robot. So you can see there's a list of things here. These are basically mobile applications, or sometimes they're surveys. You just need to fully complete 2 of them. They're all completely free. So for example, you would click on that one and download the app and follow the instructions. So complete chapter 4. So just complete 2 of these, and that is how to get unlimited credits. So once you've done that, of course, you're going to have the application on your phone. So enjoy, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, but just head on over to Wavy plugin, and yeah, that is going to save you so much damn money, getting you unlimited credits, because yeah, they are super expensive. So if we just run over to the app store here and search again for Retro Bowl, we can just double check how much the unlimited version of the app costs as well. I think it was only 99 pence, but yeah, but basically you're going to save tons of money on credits. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.